early afternoon. We had a lazy morning this morning in bed, and then we went to McDonald's for lunch, and we're back at our Airbnb. And we are getting all packed up. We've got all of our suitcases opened. This one is complete. Tonight is our last night here, so we're gonna do our... We are coming back for a day or two.
Yay!
Yeah, right before we leave, but we're gonna go to Greece tomorrow, so we're really excited. Mainland's Invisalign came in. They've got James's stuff that he needs for his teeth to get completed, so everything's ready for... We ended up getting one more night here, so I just paid the lady 4,000 Turkish liras to stay another night, and this is such a great location. Very nice Airbnb, very clean, very messy right now because we've been working. Headway, this is my pajamas for tonight, clothes for tomorrow. This bag is packed, ready for Greece. James's bag's packed, ready for Greece. This is all of our overflow things that we won't be needing for the rest of this trip, or gifts that we bought. Last load of laundry is underway. All of our trash, getting trash all put together. Work stuff won't get put away until tomorrow morning, really. That will pack up right as we leave. Last load of laundry going. Few dishes to do. Okay, let me clean this up and I'll be right back. So this is why I stayed home today and didn't go to the dentist. I wish I could see the before and after, how Mainland's teeth are gonna look, but we have so much to do to get out for tomorrow that I needed to be here. So got lots of packing, and getting to the ferry by like 6:30 a.m. is not our cup of tea right now because we stay up late and wake up late. So I'm trying to get the remaining of my stuff all kind of situated, all my makeup and stuff together, medical stuff together, and then get all my stuff charging that we take with us. I think when I get a few more things situated, I'm gonna have some Turkish tea. I have some left over. Here's my extra tea that I'm gonna heat up. I should have enough for about 2 cups today. Nice and warm. Just gonna give it a quick stir. Very good. So I just got off the phone with James, and we're trying to find out if we're going to have to make another change of plans. I guess his teeth are still dealing with major sensitivity, so they may have to do another root canal. It's very stressful because this could completely alter our trip to Rhodes, and I'll be very sad about that. We basically need to leave tomorrow morning if we're going to go to Rhodes, and they can't get them in till tomorrow morning, and that just really is going to make it to where we aren't going to be able to go because we're running out of time. And I don't want to come back like the day before we leave because we've actually had ferries cancel. If that happened, our ferry canceled, we wouldn't be able to get on our plane to head home. Lots of little things I'm working through. I'll keep you posted. So James and Mainland just got back. I'm gonna go let them in.
It was real?
I came all the way down these stairs.
It's good for you, Mom.
Hey! You got dinner and a show going?
Mm-hmm.
Mainland and I are gonna go get some dinner and walk around a bit while James works.
Can you might give me a Coke?
From right here?
Yeah, please.
Goodness gracious. Okay, here you go. Okay, adios. Mainland's like, I've not been here before. I'm like, yes, you have. Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes, when we first
Not
came.
in this area.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the store we went in and got like some makeup stuff. This is where we're gonna eat our food. We ordered our food. We are doing the sesame chicken and mashed potatoes. So while we wait for our food, we're gonna look at some of their goodies. They've got different oils and creams. We're kind of wanting to do a face mask.
Anti-aging cream.
You know, I'm trying to see if I see a mask. Soy wax candle. It's usually for hands. These are our detox juices. We're starting with this. Very healthy, tasty, but it's good. What do you think? Yeah, this is about as fresh as you get. She cut everything up just now. Here's our wonderful food. We got sesame chicken with mashed potatoes and this beautiful salad. Do those look like, are these grapes? They're so little. They are, but they're really good. Good down mashed potatoes. Let's try this chicken. Very good.
I got this caramel latte. It's so delicious. Don't mind my list. We've been to so many places around here and gotten coffee, and they don't sugar it up like we do in America. This one, they sugar it up. Very good. Cheers.
We bought some perfume. I needed to get some perfume still, and I just did. I got a really good deal though, huh?
Yeah. That little apartment.
I bet James is gone. No, he's still here. I was just watching the news, and there was a 14-foot gator that got caught with a human in its mouth. I know. It's good to be in Turkey and not in Florida. I go kayaking with gators all the time. They're in my backyard, but that makes me more nervous to go swimming in the bay because there's been a gator back there lately. It's lively tonight. James is still at the dentist. I've still not booked our ferry yet for tomorrow because I want to make sure everything gets done and complete with the dentist before we leave tomorrow. So I was waiting for him to finish before I find the ferry ticket or buy the ferry ticket. Hopefully that will all work out, but you will have to wait until tomorrow to find out for sure because I am going to finish cleaning up and I'm heading to bed. I'm not doing anything else interesting today, so I'm going to say goodnight and we will let you know what happens tomorrow. Have a good night and we'll see you later. Bye.